Ever wondered how a spoonful of baking soda can transform your garden? This humble kitchen staple, easily found in your pantry, is not just for baking or cleaning. Imagine leveraging its power to enhance your garden's health and beauty. Today, we'll uncover 10 surprising benefits of using baking soda in your garden care routine. From acting as a natural weed killer to boosting plant resilience, the versatility of baking soda is simply astonishing. Stay tuned as we count down these eye-opening benefits. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, baking soda as a natural weed killer. Now let's talk about those pesky weeds that find their way into the cracks of our walkways and driveways. They can be quite a nuisance, can't they? But here's a little secret. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda into these cracks, and you'll be amazed at the results. You see, baking soda has a high sodium content, which in larger amounts can be detrimental to plants. So when you sprinkle baking soda, it increases the sodium level in the soil, making the environment inhospitable for weed growth. It's a simple yet effective method that doesn't involve any harmful chemicals. This way, you'll not only be keeping those stubborn weeds at bay, but you'll also be doing your bit for the environment. A win-win situation, isn't it? Who knew controlling weeds could be so simple and chemical-free? At number 9, combat fungal diseases. Imagine walking through your garden and seeing your plants covered in a white, powdery substance. That's powdery mildew, a common fungal disease that can wreak havoc on a wide variety of plants. But fear not, baking soda is here to the rescue. When mixed with water, baking soda acts as a fantastic fungicide. The mixture changes the pH on the leaf surface, making it less hospitable for fungi to thrive. To create this fungal-fighting solution, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a gallon of water. For an extra punch, add a teaspoon of liquid soap to help the mixture adhere to the leaves. However, it's crucial to use this spray judiciously. Applying too strong a mixture or too frequently can potentially harm the plants you're trying to protect. It's always wise to test it on a small area first. With just a sprinkle, protect your plants from pesky fungi. Number 8 brings brighter blooms. Have you ever wondered how to make your flowers pop with color and vibrancy? The secret ingredient just might be in your kitchen pantry. That's right, baking soda. This common household item can work wonders in your garden. When you add a spoonful of it to your soil, you're introducing a touch of alkaline magic. This little boost can enhance the color and quality of your flowers, making them more vibrant than ever. It's like giving your blooms a spa day, but instead of a mud mask, they're getting a baking soda boost. Picture your roses, tulips, or daisies bursting with color, each petal more vivid than the next. Imagine the compliments you'll receive from friends and neighbors all admiring your beautiful, radiant garden. It's a simple, cost-effective way to elevate your garden's aesthetic, so give it a try. Get ready for your garden to burst with color. 7th on our list, a safer pest control. Our gardens can be a haven for many pests, including aphids and spider mites. These critters can wreak havoc on your beautiful blooms and lush green leaves. But not to worry, baking soda comes to the rescue again. A simple solution of baking soda and water can be a powerful deterrent for these unwelcome visitors. Unlike chemical pesticides that can cause harm to the environment and pose risks to our health, baking soda is safe for you, your pets, and the beneficial insects that visit your garden. It's a non-toxic solution that effectively keeps pests at bay. Remember, the key to using baking soda as a natural pesticide is moderation. Too much can harm your plants, so it's best to use it sparingly and only when necessary. Baking soda, a common household item, can be your secret weapon in maintaining a vibrant, pest-free garden. Keep your garden pest-free and safe for all visitors. At number 6, sweeter tomatoes await. Now, who doesn't love a juicy, sweet tomato, especially when it's homegrown? Here's a simple trick to enhance your tomato's sweetness. Use baking soda, yes, that's right, just a small sprinkle of baking soda around your tomato plants can do wonders. So how does it work? Well, baking soda is alkaline, and when you add it to your garden soil, it lowers the soil's acidity. Tomatoes thrive in slightly acidic soil, but too much acidity can cause your tomatoes to be a bit sour. By reducing the acidity, you're allowing your tomatoes to develop a sweeter flavor. Think about it, all it takes is a spoonful of baking soda to transform your garden tomatoes. No need for expensive fertilizers or complex garden treatments, just plain simple baking soda. Imagine the taste of sweeter homegrown tomatoes. The magic of baking soda continues to surprise us, doesn't it? Halfway through with a clean start. Let's talk about how your garden furniture can benefit from a little sprinkle of baking soda. You know those stubborn stains, weatherware, and mossy green spots that can make your outdoor seating less inviting? Well, baking soda is here to save the day. This humble kitchen ingredient is a natural, gentle abrasive that can scrub away grime without the risks or residue of harsh chemical cleaners. Just mix a handful of baking soda with enough water to make a paste. Apply it to your furniture, and scrub gently with a brush. You will be amazed at how the dirt just lifts away. But the magic doesn't stop there. Baking soda also neutralizes odors, leaving your garden furniture smelling fresh and clean. And because baking soda is eco-friendly, you can rinse it off right in your garden without worrying about damaging your plants. Your garden furniture will look as fresh as your plants. Number 4, improve your soil. Let's talk about the magic that baking soda can work on your garden soil. Do you have overly acidic soil? Is it hindering your plant growth? Well, guess what? Baking soda is here to save the day. Baking soda, with its alkaline nature, can neutralize acidic soils, bringing balance to the pH levels. This balance is vital because overly acidic soil can limit the availability of essential nutrients to plants. Too much acidity can also increase the vulnerability of your plants to diseases and pests. So, how does one use baking soda to rectify this issue? It's simple. You just sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on your soil, water it lightly, and let it do its magic. However, remember, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can turn your soil overly alkaline, which is equally detrimental. By balancing your soil's pH levels with baking soda, you're not just improving its quality, you're setting the stage for healthier, happier plant life. So balance your soil for healthier plant life. Approaching the top 3, freshen up your compost. Composting is a gardener's best friend, but let's face it, it can sometimes get a little stinky. Enter baking soda. This common kitchen ingredient is more than just a baking aid. When added to your compost bin, it works like a charm to reduce those unpleasant odors. How does it work? Well, baking soda is known for its neutralizing properties. It can balance out the acids produced during the decomposition process, which are responsible for that strong smell, but that's not all. Baking soda also aids in breaking down organic matter more quickly, speeding up the composting process. Just a spoonful is all it takes. Sprinkle it over your compost pile every now and then, and you'll notice the difference. Your compost will not only smell better but also decompose faster. It's a win-win situation for both you and your garden. No more holding your nose near the compost bin. Second to last, an eco-friendly cleaning hack. Let's talk about how baking soda can be your secret weapon for keeping your garden paths and concrete areas spotless. It's a common sight, those stubborn stains and mildew that just won't budge. But did you know a sprinkle of baking soda can make all the difference? Think of it like this. Baking soda is to your garden path what a magic eraser is to a whiteboard. All you need is a generous dash of it and a good scrub, and voila, your path is as good as new. The best part, it's completely toxin-free. This means you're not introducing any harmful chemicals into your garden. In fact, a simple baking soda and water solution can effectively remove dirt, grime, and even those pesky moss stains. So, the next time you notice your garden path looking a little under the weather, reach for the baking soda. Your paths can be as pristine as your plants. And the top benefit, boosting plant resilience. This is where baking soda really shines. You see, the magic of baking soda lies in its ability to strengthen plant cells. By doing this, it increases their resistance to a variety of potentially harmful factors. Diseases that would normally ravage your garden find themselves up against a robust defense. Plants fortified with baking soda can fend off these harmful intruders, keeping your garden healthy and vibrant. But it doesn't stop there. Baking soda also helps plants become more resilient to harsh weather conditions. Whether it's the scorching summer heat or the biting winter frost, your plants will be better equipped to endure these extremes. They'll be able to bounce back from adversity, standing tall and strong no matter what Mother Nature throws at them. So by incorporating a simple spoonful of baking soda in your garden, you're not just nurturing your plants. You're empowering them, making them resilient and hardy. Empower your garden to thrive against all odds. Now that we've unearthed these top 10 baking soda secrets for your garden, let's quickly recap. From acting as a natural weed killer to boosting plant resilience, baking soda is indeed a magical addition to your gardening routine. It can fight fungal diseases, enhance bloom quality, sweeten tomatoes, and much more. So why not give it a try? Share your results. Let's celebrate the power of a simple spoonful of baking soda together. Transform your garden with just a spoonful of baking soda. Try it out and watch your garden flourish.